Today we are looking at a 3-ton vertical mixer. This unit has just been rebuilt here at the shop. Now they are doing some work here today, so there is going to be some noise in the background. We wanted to do a walk around video, and we wanted to kick the unit on so you can see it running. I had to zoom in. My camera has trouble focusing when I zoom all the way out. Everything on this unit is in good shape. All of the working components, like the bearings, the screws, have been replaced for new. The electric motor on this unit has been gone through by a motor technician. It has new bearings and is ready to rock and roll. This unit is in good shape and is ready to go out and perform. In a minute we will fire it up so you can see it running. You can see up inside of the discharge here, you can see the new screws up in there. Again, the screws are brand new. It'll take a very long time to wear those out. The discharge gate opens and closes easily. And then down here on the bottom, we have a clean out gate. You can see that just cams up and out of the way. Cams up and closed, comes down and then it's open. That'll allow you to get the unit clean. You can see the new bearing there. And then there's another new bearing over here. You can see it there. We are going to fire the unit up for you now. Fires right up. Now this unit will need to be bolted to a solid concrete floor for safety. I can see the screws turning up inside of that little window there. Let me show you the shafts turning down below here. Hopefully I can get my camera to focus. There we go. You can see those bearings turning. Now if I open the discharge, we can see the screws turning in there. Hums right along, there's no rubbing, no irregular noises. Looking down from the top of the unit, we can see inside of the mixing chamber. You can see the screws turning in there. Everything is in good condition. The insides are good. There's nothing that will keep the product from flowing down to the bottom, nothing that'll hang up. This unit is in good shape. Hums right along. Again, all of the wear components have been changed out for new. The screws have been changed out for new. The bearings have been changed out for new. The belts have been changed out for new. The motor was completely rebuilt and is in like new condition. And the sheet metal has been inspected. Everything is in good shape on this unit. This concludes the video of this 6,000-pound vertical twin screw mixer. Again, this unit was completely rebuilt and is ready to go out and perform for a long time. This unit and other units like it, as well as seed cleaners, feed grinders, bucket elevators, and other material processing and handling equipment, can be bought through us here at Commodity Traders International. Thank you for watching.